Experiencing problems with group texts on Spectrum Mobile? You're not alone. Issues often stem from MMS failures, incorrect APN settings, or incompatibilities between iMessage and RCS. First, determine if the problem occurs only with non-iPhone users, which points to iMessage SMS MMS incompatibility. If media like photos or videos fails to send in group texts, it's likely an MMS or APN issue. Check your device's APN settings in Settings Cellular Data Options APN, and ensure they match Spectrum's configuration. Name Spectrum, APN equals Spectrum, MMS MMS.mobile, MMS proxy.mobile.nat. Intermittent failures, especially during peak hours or in areas with weak signal, might indicate network congestion. Widespread outages may be a Spectrum issue. Check their website or support channels for reported outages in your area. Now let's explore solutions for Spectrum Mobile Group text problems. Start with the basics. Ensure cellular data is enabled and Wi-Fi calling is turned off, as these can interfere with MMS. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Resetting network settings can resolve corrupted cache or SIM card issues. If APN settings are incorrect, manually update them to Spectrum's recommended configuration. Spectrum Mobile App version 4.8 and later offers a one-click APN fix. For iMessage-related issues, consider using third-party messaging apps like WhatsApp for cross-platform group chats. If you're an Android user, ensure RCS is enabled in Google's Messages app. As of 2025, Spectrum has partnered with Google to enable RCS by default for Android users. If problems persist, contact Spectrum Mobile support for targeted diagnostics, which may include SIM swaps or firmware updates. Remember that firmware updates to Spectrum's network infrastructure are ongoing, but widespread MMS stabilization for cross-device groups is expected by Q4 2025. Stay updated on Spectrum's status page for the latest information on known issues and resolutions.